Have you ever felt like you lost something really important? It's hard not to feel sad when things go wrong. Today, we're going to hear a story about a man who lost his entire house. But instead of crying, he did something that shocked everyone. So, let's begin our story. Once upon a time, there was a kind man named Sam. Sam was not rich, but he was a very hard worker. For 20 long years, he saved every penny he earned. He had a big dream. He wanted to build a safe, cozy home for his wife and children. Finally, the house was finished. It had bright windows and a strong roof. Sam and his family were so excited. They picked a special day to move into their new home. But just 2 days before they moved in, the ground started to shake. It was a giant earthquake. When the shaking stopped, Sam's beautiful new house had completely collapsed. It was now just a pile of broken bricks and dust. When Sam heard the news, he didn't cry. He didn't scream. Instead, he walked to the market and bought a large box of delicious, colorful sweets. Then he went to the spot where his house used to stand. A crowd of neighbors stood there. They were crying and shaking their heads. "Poor Sam," they whispered. "He lost everything." Sam walked up to them with a big smile and started handing out the sweets. His best friend was shocked. "Sam, have you lost your mind?" his friend asked. "Your house is ruined. Your money is gone. Why are you celebrating?" Sam smiled kindly and said, "I am giving out sweets because I am the luckiest man in the world. You see, if the house had fallen down 2 days from now, my wife, my children, and I would have been sleeping inside. We all could have died. The house is broken, but my family is safe. Bricks can be replaced, but people cannot." The neighbors stopped crying. They looked at Sam and realized he was right. Because Sam chose to be positive, he didn't feel like a loser. He felt like a winner because his family was alive. My dear friends, this story teaches us a very important secret about life. Sometimes, bad things happen that we cannot control. We might lose a game, fail a test, or lose something we worked very hard for. In those moments, it is very easy to feel sad or angry. But remember Sam. He showed us that how we look at a problem is more important than the problem itself. Focus on what you have. Instead of crying over the broken bricks in your life, look at the people who love you and the safety you still have. When you stay positive, you can think clearly and start over with a brave heart. The next time something goes wrong, try to find the sweet side of the story.